Really? Is that what he said? And what did you say back? Really? See, I'm not sure about that. Did you go and see her? Did you? And was she pleased to see you? Really? And how was her mum? Did she give you any sausages? No? Oh. What about a bit of bacon or some fish? Did you get some fish? Really? With potato? Wow, 2 scoops?